The problem with this generation is napakataas ng tingin nila sa sarili nila. Yes, nagkakamali din ng parents kasi tao lang sila, but they say sorry on their own ways. I agree with that. I think one of the reasons why hindi nila tayo masagot dati nung mga bata tayo is because whatever they have in mind is an incomplete knowledge. And the handing over an incomplete knowledge to a kid is dangerous. So they chose to withhold whatever answers they had back then because they do not have an idea how to cover yung ibang aspeto or ibang questions that would arise pag nasagot na yung unang tanong. Ngayon, here's what's going to happen. If magsorry nga yung magulang, there's a possibility na maging smug yung bata and isipin niya kagad that, wow, I'm invincible. Diba? I'm winning arguments with my parents. But that is actually one of the common pitfalls ng mga bata. Yung panalo na yon, umakyat sa ulo nila thinking that they already have the knowledge, idea of the world at kaya na nilang harapin ang kung anumang aspeto ng buhay. Kaya either mag-explore, uminom ng alak, barkada, so on and so forth, and it feels good. And that's the dangerous side of it. What feels good does not necessarily mean that it's the right thing. So, ang daming complications, kaya mahirap makipag-usap sa isang bata. And yan yung hinaharap ng bawat magulang sa kung anumang sitwasyon nila ngayon sa mga anak nila. Hirap makipagkompetensya ang magulang ngayon sa pag-instill ng values sa mga anak nila. Because, well, for one, yung common setup ngayon is parehong nagtatrabaho. So, very minimal yung time na na-spend talaga doon sa anak nila. And then, yung other topics na madidiscover nila, usually madidiscover nila yan sa internet or social media. Now, if may mga content creator na, alam mo yun, confidence lang yung baon, walang pinaghuhugutang wisdom, yun yung delikado para sa mga bata because they will be able to adopt those kinds of values without knowing how damaging they are. So, let's appreciate yung mga bagay na ginawa ng magulang natin. Not because there are parents, but doon sa ginawa nilang effort towards trying their best to teach us whatever lessons they've learned and na-improve during their lifetime. Hindi biro yun kasi ginamit nila yung resource nila na never mababayaran, never may babalik, and walang halaga. Oras. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.